everyone. In today's class, I will discuss the continuing lecture of table in HTML. So I have discussed the table tag, tr tag, td tag. Next I will discuss attributes for td tag. I told you td means table data. So the attributes are align, call span, row span. Align. This is same as we used in paragraph tag, p tag. Align. This attribute is used for the horizontal alignment of text within the cell. Cell means the rows and column of table. The possible values can be left, right and center. Next, call span. Call span means this attribute specifies the width of the cell in terms of number of columns. Yes, this attribute tells the width of the cell in terms of number of columns. It is used when a cell occupies more than one column. It means whenever you have to take more than one column in a row, you will use call span. The possible values can be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Row span, it specifies the height of the cell in terms of number of rows. It is used when the cell occupies more than one row. Yes, if you want to expand a row in a one cell, you will use row span attribute. The possible values can be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Example, here is an example. For using td attributes, write a program in HTML for creating a simple table with 2 rows and 2 columns. HTML on, head on, title of. You can give any title for table, but it will not be shown on the web page. It will be shown on browser's window. I already told. Head or body on, table on. Then table attributes we can use, and important attribute is border. Table border is equal to 10. We can take any number. Align is equal to center, left, right, center. We can take any value. Width, height, we can take any number. Afterward, tr on, td on. Here we don't have used any attribute in td on. So we have to make 2 columns in one row. 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. So for first row we will have element. We will have table data India. Second, table data America. First row we will have 2 columns. Similarly, we will start second row. Again 2 columns. We can give any examples like Sri Lanka, Italy. Here we have given the example of countries' names. tr of table of body of HTML. This is a simple table of 2 rows having 2 columns each. Just correct the question. The example is of 2 rows having 2 columns each. Okay, first row is having 2 columns, so we will use td tag for and give 2 text. Similarly, again we will use second row, we will give 2 data. So this is the table with 2 rows having 2 columns each. Next, write a program in HTML for creating a table having 1 column in first row, 2 columns in second row, 3 columns in third row. This is the second example. The difference between the two examples is that in first column, in first question, in first example, each row was having same number of column, but here we can see in this second question, first row is having 1 column, second row is having 2 columns, 3 row is having 3 columns. So for this, handling these kind of question, you will have to use call span and row span attributes in td tag for expanding rows or columns. So here HTML on, head on, title of, head of, body on, table on, attribute border we can use, align we can use, width, height we can use, cell padding, cell spacing we can use every kind of attribute, but very important attribute here is border. Next, tr, bg color we can use any attribute. There is only one attribute bg color, so we can use here, and we can give value by number, by name or hexadecimal value. Similarly, td. So in first row we will have to expand it for 3 columns. So we will use td call span is equal to 3. We will give any country name or any text. Here we have given the same example, India. Next, tr of. So we have created one row with one column. Second row, tr. Now we need 2 columns. So 2 columns, but length is 3 columns. So we will have to expand any column into 2, so we will use call span. TD call span is equal to 2, or we can use TD call span is equal to 1.5 Sri Lanka. Again we will use TD call span is equal to 1.5 for America. Yes, we can expand equally, or we can spend 1 and 2, total will be 3. So here is the use of call span attribute. In the first row we expanded TD till 3 columns. In second row we did not expand first data, we expanded second column into 2 columns. In third row we need 3 columns, so simply we will add 3 TD with 3 text. We will have the example here. Afterward tr of table of body of HTML. So here is the example with the use of call span attribute. Similarly we can use row span just to expanding rows. So here is the table with call span, row span and simple text. Okay, next I will discuss in next class. Thank you for today.